What's up, viewers? Eric from BSonic. Today I have here the AP1 Tesla Model X, and we're going to be installing the smartphone mirroring system. And what's cool about the smartphone mirroring system is even without the new MCU 2 that's equipped on all the new Teslas starting from March 2018, you can still enjoy Netflix, YouTube, along with any other video applications or even like map applications from your phone to show up on your Tesla's big screen. So that's really, really cool. And the installation is all plug and play. Although for the AP1 Model X, the area where we need to access is a bit difficult to get to, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it today. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. All right, so now that we're in the car, the first thing we wanna do, so after you connected everything, you wanna test it to make sure everything's in working order. So go to your OBD2 side and there's a plug all the way down there. You're gonna plug it in, okay? And after you plug it in, just long press this button over here, see if it clicks. All right, so the interface is clicking, so it's working. So everything's in working order. So we're gonna unplug it. All right, and then now we are going to go hunting for that backup camera cable. It should be located down here somewhere. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get down there. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this carpet here. All right, and then you'll notice that there's this carpet piece. It's just hanging out right here. I'm gonna try to remove this. We're able to successfully remove this. If there's any of these clips that are stuck in here, make sure you get it out and place it back into its place. Okay, next we're gonna remove this 10mm over here. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt. All right, next step, go ahead and push both of your seats all the way forward. And after you do that, we're gonna be working on this area of here. We need to remove this panel. So just grab a panel removal tool, something like this, and just put it in here, just pry this piece out, okay? And just work your way down. You'll notice that it disconnects over here. Do the same for the other side, okay? And once you have it all disconnected, go ahead and gently remove this. Okay, while taking that out, this area might pop out like this. It's no big deal. Just leave it aside for now. Okay, just gonna work our way up. And leave our vents where it is. Doesn't need to come out. And then let's put this panel piece to the side. And there's two 10mm bolts down here. Let's go ahead and remove those two. So I went ahead and just pulled the top two out. It's kind of easy to tell. The one on the right side will go to the right, the one on the left side will go to the left. Alright. Oh, there it is. Alright, so this is out. Okay, and then let's go ahead and remove one more bolt on the driver's side. Okay, so on the driver's side, we'll go ahead, and as we did on the passenger side, we're going to remove this carpet piece over here. Let me just loosen this a bit. Alright, so it's going to move the carpet out like this, and you'll see that 10mm bolt right there. Alright, so that is out. And next, let's go ahead and see if we could lift the whole center console up. Okay. And then we go ahead and just remove this cubby here, just so I could get a little bit more leverage. So after we went ahead and pulled those two 10mm bolts out from the front and also from the rear, we also have to pull out two more 10mm bolts inside the sliding door. There's two right here. That's how the bolt looks. There's another one. And on top of that, we had to unscrew the torque screw over here. And once we did that, we had to undo some connectors that was on this side. And once we did that, this whole center console area was able to be removed like this. Alright, so now the inside looks a bit empty. No center console. And all we have left is this vent. Make sure to be very careful not to deform this shape in any way, because if you do so, the flow of air is going to get altered. You don't want that. So you have to first dislodge this channel out from here. And how we did that was we just gave it a really good push downwards until it popped out, and then we were able to push it up like this. And once we do that, now we have access to the connector that we want, which was under here. So if you push this out, you can see it's this blue connector here. We already dislodged it from the other side of the connector. Let me get some light for you. All right, some light for you. That's that blue light connector that's disconnected. That's the connector that you want to connect to our interface. All right, so grabbing our connector over here, we're gonna go ahead and connect it to that. All right, so we went ahead and we connected, and this is gonna connect to our interface. And the other side of the interface, we have another connector that's going into it, which connects to this side, and then the other side of it is actually going to connect to the factory side inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so with two connectors that we just connected to the backup camera harness going to our interface, and then the other side of this is going to connect back to OBD2, and the whole connection to the vehicle is completed. I suggest you using these longer video cables instead of short ones. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and tuck this away over here in the back somewhere. There's a lot of room in addition to this CAN controller. And we are going to route the HDMI cable from here all the way to around this area right under the cubby, which will be the perfect place to plug in our smartphone. All right, and then after you do that, that will finish the installation. So let me go ahead and do all the connections in reverse order, everything I just did. If you want to see a demonstration of how this works, go ahead and check out our YouTube page. I think we have like 2 demonstration videos showing exactly how it works. If you have any questions in addition to that, you can ask below or send us an email at info@bsonicusa.com, and then we'll get back to you ASAP. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page as we come out with more cool Tesla, Lexus, and Toyota electronics for you guys. Thank you very much.